In this recording, I'm going to show you how to record a contract with an advance. So you have a contract, this is not a grant. $480,000 is awarded with an advance payment of $120,000. Monthly billing of the actual expenses will be less an amount, in this case, $10,000. So you have a prepayment of $120,000 and monthly billing expenses of less than $10,000, less than $10,000. The proposed solution is to create a current liability account for customer deposits, create a service type item for customer deposits so that you can use this. That's lists and then items. Create a customer record for the customer. You may want to create a job for this if you're going to have multiple projects for this customer. I did not do that. The first step is to post a sales receipt for the $120,000 going to customer deposits. And then the next is to create the monthly invoice to the customer and reduce that invoice by the $10,000. Let's see how this works. So my first step is pretty simple. I'm going to create a customer. That's pretty simple. You simply say new customer. I called it Tina, customer for Tina. And you can see here that I have created $120,000. So the first step, I created a sales receipt, which means we've actually received cash. I put it to customer deposits. Again, this is an item. Behind this is the general ledger account customer deposits for $120,000. This is not income to us. It is a deposit. We are holding it in anticipation that we will provide services in the future. The second step of the process is where we create our monthly invoice. In this case, we bill the customer, or invoice rather, the customer again. Customers are invoiced, vendors are billed. Our items are services rendered. I just named it commercial services rendered. I made up this amount to get it over $10,000. And then we have a credit of $10,000 that is coming out of our customer deposit, CustDep, or customer deposit item. The actual invoice then is for $4,358.22, but the income will be $14,358.22. We'll continue this until the balance in our customer deposit account is zero. Let's take a look at the financial statements. So we'll look at the profit and loss statement. In this case, you can see special services income was the full $14,358.22. Looking at our balance sheet, we can see that our customer deposits has been reduced. We started out with $120,000, and then we have an invoice which reduced it by $10,000. We have a balance of $110,000. It will continue like this until you have completely exhausted the customer deposits. Thank you.